What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks. Just a quick update on the trade that I made yesterday, AMD and Disney. Actually, Disney's one from a few days back. As you can see, overall $907, $909 on Disney. Um, AMD, I am down on. I'm trying to find where Disney's at right now. That's not Disney. Where are you, Disney? Spy. Spy. Jeez. Disney. Here we go. So Disney is maroon. And we're going to go ahead and pull out of Disney right now. Actually, it may still go up a little bit more. Um, all right. So I originally bought Disney way back when, longer than a week ago. Um, I was down on it quite a bit, I think. Almost like 500, 700 bucks or something like that. It has since then recovered a lot. Um, I went from being negative 700 all the way to being up 894 bucks now. It's actually going down, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out. Well, it's going up now. Uh, let's see if I can pull out right here. Yep, I'm out. Okay, so out on Disney now. Not bad, not bad at all. Right now I am down $350 on AMD. Um, I want to say that that's not what was expected. I really thought AMD would be going up right away, but it's not. It is. Let's see what happens along that price level. Now, I did only get half of what I wanted to get with AMD. AMD was one that I actually wanted to jump in. I think it was 10 contracts. Instead, I ended up getting only 5 just because I didn't feel too sure about it yet. Yeah, I only got 5. Um, so I still need to see what it's going to do here. Sorry, webcam's off, by the way. I just don't feel good. I'm a little bit under the weather. I have a migraine. I haven't slept since I've been up since midnight. But anyhow, so I want to see what happens here. If it cracks this level, oh crap, I'm gonna pull out because I don't want to be caught just on the down. I don't want to be. I don't want to be caught on the way going down. Who knows? Maybe I'll touch here or something. We can expand this a little bit more that way. Yeah, that works. All right. So yeah. So I need an alert to let me know if it's cracking down even more, and then that way I'll pull out. Um, but yeah, not bad. Disney ended up being surprisingly a good trade. I was actually thinking about pulling out of Disney, if y'all remember, because of this. However, I said that okay, well, it's hitting this. If it cracks this, it'll continue to go up, and sure enough, it's climbed up quite nicely. So that worked out well. Let's see what is Spy looking like. Basically the same. It's cracking here. Come on. It's cracking here. Um, what about Nvidia? Nvidia's going down. Maybe puts on Nvidia? Hmm. Maybe puts on Nvidia. Yeah, possibly puts. What's Baba doing? Yeah, Baba did great. Baba's another one that paid off quite nicely, and it's still going up. I'm not gonna trade here. This is the highest that it's been. I'm in since I'm recording it, so I'm not. I don't want to be at the very top. And then let's see what else. What is DGAS? I think DGAS had a good day. Oh yeah, nice gap up. DGAS, JNUG. Okay, so JNUG's bouncing off the support as expected, and now it'll probably hit the resistance. I'm not gonna trade JNUG right now. Um, it's getting tighter in this wedge here in this triangle here, I'm gonna wait for it to crack, whether it's on the downside or the upside, and then start trading it from there. That's why I have the alerts on there. I think that's it, to be honest with y'all. I don't think I'm gonna jump into anything out. I was thinking maybe Nvidia puts, but I don't think so anymore. I was thinking Nvidia puts. So it dropped. Okay, that's recovering. Um, Let me see another one here. Okay, UNH is also looking quite nice. I don't think I charted UNH. Sorry, I had to sneeze. I don't think I charted UNH in this on the paper account because it's paper. Who gives a crap? Interesting. So going up, is it gonna come down? Is it gonna start to come back down, way down again? No. What's it gonna do here? You know, like that's hmm, I don't know. It's a good question. I love UNH though. It's one that's just it's a great stock. What about mm, I like how straight this kind of is. That's the high. Let's hit here a couple times. I don't know if that's even a real line or not. I'm just drawing stuff at this point. Yeah, sort of. Here, here, here. So kind of trading in here. Little channel maybe. All right. I think this is it for now. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. Again, don't forget to follow me on the social medias. Um, I'm on Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I'm going to be doing some giveaways on there separate from YouTube. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button on YouTube. Make sure that you are following me. Make sure that you're commenting on the videos because that is how I choose the random people that I give money to or that I do giveaways for. But anyway, and like I mentioned before, I'm going to be incorporating some gaming stuff like maybe giveaways for games or maybe games themselves, gift them, and so on and so forth. Yep. So go ahead and like, subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next one. Peace.